Looking for a dependable replacement drum unit that keeps your Ricoh SP series printer running smoothly? The Genuine Ricoh Drum Unit offers a solid 20,000 page yield, ensuring you get consistent, high-quality prints without frequent interruptions. When my printer's drum unit started showing signs of wear, I needed a quick, hassle-free fix. Finding the Ricoh SP 4510DN SP 4510SF Photoconductor Unit was a relief. It fit perfectly, installed easily, and brought my printer back to life with crisp, clean prints. The unit is designed specifically for models like the SP 3600DN, 3600SF, 3610SF, 4510DN, and 4510SF. So compatibility isn't a concern. What you get is a genuine OEM product that's built to last and perform. Customers across the US have praised its fast delivery and flawless fit. It's exactly what the description promises: no surprises, just reliable performance. If you're ready to replace your worn-out drum and want a straightforward solution, this Ricoh Drum Unit is worth a look. Don't settle for less when it comes to your printer's core components. Investing in this Genuine Ricoh Drum Unit means fewer maintenance headaches and better print quality. Try it when you're ready to restore your printer's efficiency and keep your office or workspace running without a hitch.